We had come, a friend of mine had lost her husband, so since I can't come for the funeral, we thought I would come for the mabolezi. So we were just flying back to Nairobi. So we had just taken off, and then I wouldn't know the technical term to use, but the plane just came down. And maybe what I can say also is I'm thankful that it happened here, because we had not really gone very high in the air. We had just almost finished the runway, so we had, if it was up there then maybe it would be a different story. Yeah. But we are fine. And thank you very much for your concern.